know I haven't completely filled you in yet, but Jason, Jessie, Max and I decided to travel to Europe for the month of August. We're setting up our fulfillment here, and of course we wanted to enjoy. Europe, here we come! Today's video is sponsored by Clarins. I can't wait to show you what I've been up to in the last few days. Good morning. It's bright and early. School. You know, just for our Yokohama fulfillment while we're on the road. We just arrived in Paris. It is pretty early. It's 6 a.m. here, 9 p.m. in LA time. We're gonna go to customs and wait for our next flight at Zurich. Finished our breakfast. It was not that great, so now we need some matcha. I'm so jet lagged. Hopefully this is gonna bring me back to life. I've been on the way already for like 20 hours or something.
This is like a 30-hour trip.
Yeah, but it's gonna be worth it. I guess I will see you in Zurich. We made it to Switzerland. Wow, we had such an incredible long travel yesterday. This view here is insane. I'm gonna show you. We're staying here with Timmy, and this is the lake of Locarno. And Max just made some brunch. Wow, look at that matcha right there. Max started cooking in the beginning of our relationship, but after not really, and I saw this brunch and it's literally, I'm like, why do I do this all the time? Like, this looks really amazing, but oh my god, I'm so grateful to be in Europe, to like be taking off like a vacation and just really relax. The views is stunning. It really reminds me of my childhood trips to the northern of Italy, to Lago di Iseo. It's really beautiful. Timmy, introduce yourself.
Hi guys. I'm Tim, and I've been living in Switzerland for 2 years with my parents and studying in Rotterdam.
Okay, let's take a look on what Max prepared today. We got some pastries, we got tons of iced matcha, fruits, got avocado toast, French toast. Wow. Well, brunch is ready.
Alright, let's eat!
Let's eat! Freshen up myself a little bit. I need to do a little bit of self-care and skincare, especially after such a long travel. Oh. I usually don't really do this on the flight, even if the flight is very long, and the reason for that is because I just feel it's not like as clean. So I like to do it before and then after to really like hydrate my skin. And something that like struggle the most with it is just like I feel puffy and like I have like dark circles. So that's what we're going to target today. I always had a hard time finding good eye creams, and I started doing a lot of research, and I actually found the Clarins Total Eye Lift. I saw a bunch of YouTube reviews on this and I was like, okay, I have to try this, and absolutely love this. I feel this is the only one which actually like works. So the first step in my routine will be the eye cream, and I want to show you how I'm using it. So first step, put a generous amount on your fingertips and you warm it up in between your fingers. And this is super important because when you warm up the eye cream, it actually activates the ingredients in there. 95% of the ingredients in here are natural, so you want to warm them up. And don't worry, your fingers won't absorb the product because your fingers actually don't have pores. So you can just warm it up here. And then step 2, we want to apply it in like a special lymphatic massage technique. I love lymphatic massage for my body. I always feel like so much better. You can also use this obviously on your face. So now the product is warmed up, we're gonna see like a total eye lift within like 60 seconds. It's amazing. Okay, so you want to start here in the inside of your eye and press the product underneath your eyelids, 3 and 4, and on the outside. And close your eyes and on top of your eyebrows, because it also enhances your eyebrows and eyelashes. And then 3, 4 to the outside. Really press that product in. Take a deep breath. And then last step, take your fingers here and press in between your eyebrows. And there we go. Okay, now we're waiting a little. I'm gonna turn around. Okay, and here you can see it's completely smoothened out. I will link the Clarins eye cream down below so you can go check it out yourself because it's really incredible. All right, I'm going to put some sunscreen on. Probably have a very chill afternoon, or maybe get ready for like dinner a little bit and maybe take a nap. I will see you guys very soon. We chilled at the pool today and like kind of relaxed, and we just got ready for dinner. I'm wearing this like cute dress. Max went vintage shopping in Paris and this is what he found. So cute, so summery.
I just want to say something to you.
What?
I haven't seen you in like a week. Your butt looks amazing.
Thank you. So we're heading out now for dinner, and then after we're going to Locarno Film Festival, which actually gonna be really fun. There's this whole like outdoor movie, and this is where Locarno is also pretty famous for. So excited. Jessie, ready? I like that little dress. You got that at Aritzia, right?
In the supercharger.
Alrighty. Our flip. Ah, look at them. Are they twinning? Sink it. Sink it.
You good?
This vlog is getting very exciting very soon. Oh no. Okay.
Keep it.
Oh my god, it literally hit like that corner right there. Wow.
That's what we call an adventure.
That's what we call an adventure, and that's what we call a lot of luck that it literally was just a tire and it was not the whole freaking car. Oh my god. So here we are now. So we decided we're going to take the bus down.
Guys, look like you're just doing.
He's so excited. There we go. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath. My condition is really not that great. I'm strong, but no cardio. Can you read anything?
Oh, actually I can. Spaghetti with clams.
Ooh.
With red sauce.
Yummy frito esti. Cheers, guys. What do you think?
Like fresh. Yeah.
Our first Aperol in Europe. It's so big. Like, look, it's the same size as my head. It's delicious. So I got the branzino with spinach, tomatoes, and we just finished dinner. It's like cute little in a little restaurant here. It was really nice. And now we're heading to the piazza, and we're going to watch the movie on Locarno Film Festival. Pretty excited about that. I hope I'm just like not gonna fall asleep. We shall see. Oh wow. Watching a little movie. Good morning. So we Untitled Film Festival. I'm having some breakfast right now. I'll show you. I made like a little fruit plate with kiwi, nectarine is one of my favorites, strawberries, and some Greek yogurt. It's so weird. I had this conversation with Timmy this morning. In the US, I barely eat like normal yogurt or normal milk or something. But in Europe, it's just different. Like, I don't feel like afterwards, and it just tastes so much better. One of the things I really miss from home, I would say, is bread, cheese, and yogurt. I don't know how much I'm able to eat today because I'm a little nervous. We decided to go bungee jumping today. One of the second highest bungee jump is here in Locarno. It's like from a dam. This is gonna be insane. I've been watching like YouTube videos yesterday and like I don't know if that was a good idea. It's really scary. I did kind of like a bungee jump thing in Zimbabwe last year with Max, but it was different. I wasn't like upside down and I was with Max and not alone. So you booked the tickets already, right?
Yeah.
It's official.
Yeah.
220 meters. I don't know how many miles that is.
In about 1 hour.
Look at you guys, I was squished in the back.
Yeah.
How we're feeling. One word.
Yeah. Adrenaline.
One time life experience. That's like 5 words.
Live in the moment.
17-year-old Max.
Live in the moment.
Live in the moment.
Alrighty, we arrived and I just looked on Google. This is the second highest bungee jump in the world. It is 222 meters, 220. How are we feeling? Look at his face. I don't know if I am able to do this mentally, guys.
Oh.
So how do you get back up? Do they just like...
That's probably even scarier if they pull you up slowly.
I just don't understand how you're not hitting the freaking wall.
Me either.
Ooh. So Jessie's getting ready to jump.
Jessie is going to jump first. That's very brave of her. Oh my god, she went so fast, like it was out of focus. I was like, oh no, oh my god. She just like learned, no doubt.
Oh my god.
I'm so scared. I think I've never been this scared in my life. Jessie, stutter. Getting ready.
How was it, Jason?
I'm gonna fly like no other. I'm gonna have so much fun. Jason, any tips for first-time bungee jumpers?
You're not a first-time bungee jumper.
Look at this. Woo! How you feeling, man? Feeling ready. 3, 2, 1, go. There she goes.
How was it?
Oh my god, guys, I am still a little shaky. Oh, it's really fun. Oh, my certificate!
You have been awarded the Certificate of Bravery.
Wow, alrighty, we finished our job. It was so much fun. I'm like literally still a little bit shaking. This is something you have to do on your bucket list.
Yeah, it's like exhilarating when you first go up.
So yeah, check. I'm gonna go to a waterfall, just like swim a little, cool down, and enjoy. What are you eating, Max?
It's really good. You want some?
No, thank you. No, I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Oh my god, this is literally the coldest plunge ever. Sugar feeding Haribos. Can I also have one?
Aww.
Very low. Alrighty, I got a little ice cream. I got mango and yogurt. It's so good.
I got the shot.
So babe, you know what the strategy is, huh?
when you're a couple, you take different ice cream so you can taste from each other. That's why we're walking. It's so pretty.
Look at that. Alrighty, we are, or I am, it's such a food coma. We had like delicious lunch, we had some ice cream, and oh, this really reminded me of like when I would visit Italy in the summer with my family, like back in the days. Also at the lake, and it was just like so nice to just walk around and stuff. Felt like real vacation. I think we're just gonna hang out a little bit because it's like 5 p.m. Still like super bright. I think sunset is around like 8. We're gonna do a barbecue tonight, so we're just gonna cook ourselves, stay around here and just like hang out and stuff. Real vacation. I think tomorrow the plan is that we're gonna go on a boat on the lake. But yeah, that's it for now. Oh, did you hear that? That's my stomach digesting all the food. And sometimes, you know, after eating so much, like you just feel a little bit bloated and stuff. There's nothing like a quick fix really what helps for that, but sometimes it really helps for me to take a cold shower, because when you feel very bloated, you just feel bloated everywhere and like kind of hot and whatever. So sometimes I just take a cold shower and then just be inside a little bit, and then I actually feel like much better. I'm probably gonna take a little siesta. The boys are on a business call right now with LA, because we're obviously like 9 hours ahead, and we're mainly taking vacation, but they still need to do small little things. But yeah, see you guys.